this is the official unboxing of the IQOO 3. So let's start with the unboxing. Now let's open the box. Yes, opening the box, we have a bill and we have a different kind of setup. Here we go. This is the premium package of this IQOO 3 mobile. It got a sticker over here, and yeah, this comes with a wrap around the box, and it says IQOO over there, and it also got a sticker on the other side. This is the original IQOO 3. That is a 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage variant, the Tornado Black variant. And yeah, let's unbox this. Let's open the wrap, and this. Okay, opening up the wrap, this box looks like very premium, and let's break the seal. Okay, now let's cut this seal. One more important thing we have to check: the seal is not to be broken when we are unboxing any online purchase mobile. That is an important thing we have to keep in mind. And let's unbox this IQOO 3 by key. Breaking the seal. Let's break the seal. Okay, now the seal is broken. Wow, this mobile looks amazing. Let's keep this mobile aside, and here you can take a look at this mobile, and let's take a look at the what else we can get inside the box. And this is the IMEI stickers and everything, and this is a IQOO logo and something written on it, and it also got a texture on this box, this letter. And inside this box we can get a sim ejector tool, and yeah, we also getting a um, TPU case. Yeah, this is a blurry looking case, and this is a sim ejector tool, and it also got the warranty information and quick start guide. And this, let's keep it aside and take a look at this box. What else we get inside this box? Oh, looks like it's a wow. What is this? This is a capsule type of design charging cable. And take a look at this power brick. Whoa, it's huge and massive. It is a 55 watts super 2.0 charger. And yeah, we also getting a 3.5 headphones inside the box with it, and it says IQOO written on that. And we also getting a extra ear tips with this earphones, so that is a nice thing. So this is the mobile looks like. Let's open up the mobile's wrap and take a look at the mobile closely. So let's open the wrap. So this is the mobile looks like. Oh my god, it's a really heavy mobile, and it premium. Oh my god, this mobile is heavy and it looks premium. So that's for the video. That's for the unboxing, and I will set up this mobile and give you an overview of this mobile in the next video.